In Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations, to create a new financial period close, which is a month-end close in our example, first, navigate to the General Ledger module. From there, select Financial Period Close configuration found in the Period Close section. On the Closing Schedules page, you can see there is already a new schedule that was created for an earlier closing period. To create a new schedule, select New, and then you will provide some additional information. Add a closing schedule name and description to identify the schedule. Add the start and end dates for the period as well. Using the Templates menu, select from previously created templates. In this case, we only have the one month-end template. Use the Calendar menu to choose from the available calendars that have been created. Then, you'll need to select the companies or legal entities that will be associated with this schedule. You can select each individually or use the check mark in the column header to select all companies. When you're finished adding the companies you want, select Create. You have now created a month-end closing schedule. In our example, many of the elements of the schedule have already been created by the group responsible for administering the finance system. The month-end template, for example, reflects the different task areas, such as accounts receivable, accounts payable, and so on, task descriptions, due dates that may be critical to a company's financial reporting, closing role assignments, and related companies. On the Calendars tab, you can see where a working calendar has been created. This calendar is set up so that each weekday is considered a work day and each weekend day is not. On the Task Areas tab, the high-level task areas have been defined and are not security roles. On the Resources tab, you'll find the individual employees and their assigned closing roles. Each employee can be assigned to the closing roles they will be responsible for. Closing roles are defined on the Closing Roles tab. These are not linked to security roles either, but help to define your organization's closing processes.